Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Interior design is a delicate balance of art and functionality, and even the most well-intentioned designs can sometimes fall victim to common mistakes. Understanding these pitfalls and knowing how to rectify them can greatly enhance the overall look and feel of a space. Here are 10 common interior design mistakes and tips on how to fix them. Ignoring scale and proportion. One of the most prevalent mistakes is misjudging the scale of furniture and decor in relation to the size of the room. To fix this, ensure that furniture pieces are appropriately scaled to fit the space without overwhelming it. Consider the height and width of items in relation to the room's dimensions. Poor lighting choices. Insufficient or improper lighting can drastically affect the ambience and functionality of a room. To remedy this, incorporate a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to provide adequate illumination for different activities and moods. Consider natural light sources and layer lighting fixtures for optimal effect. Cluttered spaces. Overcrowded rooms can feel chaotic and overwhelming. To declutter, streamline your belongings and invest in smart storage solutions to keep surfaces clear. Embrace minimalist principles by prioritizing essential items and curating decorative elements thoughtfully. Lack of cohesion. Mixing too many design styles or failing to establish a cohesive color palette can lead to visual discordance. To create harmony, choose a unifying theme or color scheme and apply it consistently throughout the space. Incorporate diverse elements with a shared aesthetic to tie the room together. Neglecting the importance of texture. Spaces devoid of texture can feel flat and uninspiring. To add depth and visual interest, introduce a variety of textures through textiles, finishes, and decor. Mix smooth and rough surfaces to create tactile contrast and evoke a sense of warmth and dimension. Disregarding functionality. Designing solely for aesthetics without considering practicality can result in dysfunctional spaces. Prioritize functionality by assessing the intended use of each area and selecting furniture and layout arrangements that facilitate ease of movement and usability. Ignoring the power of art and accessories. Bare walls and lack of personal touches can make a space feel sterile and impersonal. To inject personality and warmth, adorn walls with art, photographs, or decorative mirrors. Thoughtfully curated accessories, such as throw pillows, rugs, and plants, can infuse character and charm into a room. Incorrectly scaled rugs. Placing rugs that are too small for the space can visually shrink the room and disrupt the overall balance. To rectify this, choose rugs that are large enough to anchor furniture groupings and create cohesive zones within the room. Ensure that all key furniture pieces rest comfortably on the rug. Ignoring the power of negative space. Filling every inch of a room with furniture and decor can result in a cluttered and chaotic environment. Embrace the beauty of negative space by allowing areas of visual rest to balance out the design. Opt for streamlined furniture arrangements and leave breathing room between objects. Failure to consider the flow of the space. Disjointed layouts that impede traffic flow can hinder the functionality and aesthetic appeal of a room. To improve circulation, arrange furniture in a way that promotes easy movement and clear pathways. Consider the natural flow of movement and adjust the layout accordingly. By addressing these common interior design mistakes and implementing the corresponding fixes, you can transform your space into a harmonious and visually captivating environment that reflects your personal style and enhances your quality of life.
In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!